this video, I'm going to show how to install my NopCommerce on Microsoft Azure. Before getting into the installation, I thought to let you guys know the basic features of the NopCommerce. NopCommerce is ASP.NET powered open source e-commerce platform. It is 100% mobile responsive. It's a mobile commerce and it has multi-store and multi-vendor inbuilt in the core, so you can have categories and manufacturers per store and products per store and payments per store, different payment method to the different stores, different tax rules. Yes, and on the core you have the drop shipping and multi-vendor feature available. The best thing about NopCommerce is obviously it's 100% open source, and unless any other e-commerce platform, it can be a paid one or it can be an open source one. Most of the updated functionalities available in the core itself. So if you take the product functions as an example, so you can have product attributes like variants. You can define them by color, size, SKUs, and you can also compare one or more product, and you can manage the stocks. The prices can be varied across the SKUs, and on the code itself you can have something like a downloadable product like an MP3 video or a video tutorial. So these are all available in the core itself, unless if you take any other platform that is available as an extension. And in terms of the search engine optimization, the search engine is very friendly. You have sitemap, microdata, localization, the URL, breadcrumb is available in the code itself, and you have the URL canalization, and Google Analytics is the basic Google Analytics integration is available in the core itself. And in terms of the checkout, the guest checkout is available in the core, the one-page checkout, checkout attributes. It's fully SSL enabled, and you can have PDF receipt. All these features, whichever I'm saying, it's available in the core itself. And if you take the marketing aspect, you have reward point system. You can have related product. You can issue discounts and coupons. In the code itself, you have newsletter subscription functionality and gift card functionality. The product reviews and ratings obviously is there. Product comparison sites, you can always integrate. You can send the products feed to the Google Shopping and Yahoo Shopping. And on the code itself, you have the affiliate program, so you can enroll a number of bloggers, content writers to affiliate your website. Payment methods. So in terms of payment methods, most of the payment gateway providers are already integrated, and the new ones are getting integrated with the extension. So here are the list of integration available currently on NopCommerce. The cash on delivery, credit card, debit card is the core functionality. And in terms of the shipping feature, yes, you can calculate the shipping. You can estimate the shipping. The customer can estimate the shipping on the front end. You can create pickup point, the packaging slips, the shipping methods. You can derive on the code itself. The tax features, yes, you can configure taxes by country, by state, and by zip code. Customer service, yeah, the web service API is very much available. And after the GDP, okay, let's get this started. Let's go to the Microsoft Azure portal. Here we go. This is the Microsoft Azure portal. You must have the Microsoft Azure account to host any application. It's the application, to host NopCommerce, the free trial, the free tier server database is enough. So just like Amazon AWS and Google Cloud, you have the free tier advantage in the Microsoft Azure as well. So you can always create an account for free. Oops, what happened? Let me type in and go to the Microsoft Azure again. Here we go, Microsoft Azure. Sign in, yes. So as I said, it's not going to cost anything unless you're going to divert a real amount of traffic. So it's absolutely free to test the application. Not only there is almost 70 to 80% of application available on any marketplace. If you take like the Google Cloud Marketplace or Amazon AWS Marketplace or Microsoft Azure Marketplace, is always going to be free to trial and test. Let me type in my password. Here we go. This will do. So this will take me to the portal of Microsoft Azure. So this is the Azure dashboard. So as I said, the NopCommerce is the NopCommerce main GitHub repository is available in the Microsoft Azure Marketplace. All you need to do, click create resource and search for NopCommerce. Yep, this is available. Yep, you can see this is the one. So this one is pointing directly to the production GitHub repository of NopCommerce. It is always going to be the updated one. So click on create. The installation is going to be milestone basis. It's typically like a three milestone. You have to create the application name, you have to create a database, you have to create a server, and the first milestone is creating the application name. So any random name just for testing purpose. Let me type in Wizard. Oops, this is not available. Let me type in NetViz. Yep, this is available. So it is always going to be whatever the app name you're going to give .azurewebsites.net. That's the subdomain. You can that's the subdomain you're going to host your application. You can always verify that on the browser. If for example, if you try now, oops, sorry, NopCommerce. You can see this application is not even created, so it's not available. So this name is available. I'm picking this name. The subscription is obviously it's a free trial. So as I said, it's the milestone basis. This is the first milestone. I did the first milestone. Click on create. Oh, okay. We have to create the database. So let me go to the second milestone. So this milestone will list out whatever database you have in the Microsoft Azure portal already. I don't want to trouble any of my existing database. I'm just creating a new database just for the testing purpose. I'm trying to retain the same naming conversion because whatever the name, the database name, the server name, the app name, and whatever the password you're going to type in, it's going to be very, very important. So you always make sure to retain all those things in a notepad. I always do that whenever I install an application on cloud servers. It's always important. So here we go. So we have created a database. Let me create a target server as well. So I already have a server, but I don't want to disturb that. Let me create a new server. I'm going for the same name. NopCommerce, yep. Server admin login, yep, it's the same. Password, I have a combination of password to test application. Let me always stick to that. Whatever password you wish, you can always give, but please make sure you remember that password whenever you're going to log in again to the application. Okay, so this is Asia Pacific. Australia Central is not the free tier, so let me go to the US East. So this is the free tier. Here we get the free server to host NopCommerce. So I'm selecting this particular server to the database host and this particular database for my application. Here we go. No, selected. Yep, selected. I'm creating. It is loading. It is validating all the credentials and everything. It is validating the server name. It is validating the SQL database. So as I said, always it's a good practice to note down all your database name and everything. Here we go. The deployment is in progress. It will take some time, at least 2 to 3 minutes or okay, let's start this again. Coming back to the Microsoft Azure portal. Go to all resources. Ignore I have a couple of other applications running as well. So we remember what name we have given to the testing of NopCommerce installation. Look for the application which you name the global icon, so that will give you the application path, the URL. So NopViz. Here we go. So the URL is nopviz.azurewebsites.net. So this is the subdomain which Azure portal gives us. We have the freedom to redirect this to our own custom domain. So /install. So once we set up the database, the server, the extract of NopCommerce is put into the server. So we need to install the NopCommerce now. So the installation, it's very, very important. So what are the URL /install will take you to the installation tab. So it has three section of information: the store information, which you are going to handle; the database information, we will get that in the Azure portal. We already have that in the Notepad as well. It is very, very important, guys. So whenever you create any new application, deploy any new application, always make sure to retain the credentials. That's going to be key here. So database information. So I'm just giving my email ID. Okay, the admin user password. Again, very important, note it down if you have a bad memory. And NopCommerce installation bundle gives us the option to test with the sample data. So the extract also has the sample data. For example, you're the one looking to test or trial or just playing around the installation of NopCommerce, always opt in for the create sample data. Else you're the one just deploying in for the production use of your business, just ignore this. So I'm just testing it, so I'm opting in for the sample data. So use a SQL Server, yes, that is correct. Create database if it doesn't exist. Nope, we already have the database. So I'm looking for the NopViz server detail. This is our database. Here we go. This is our database server name, and the database name, we already have that. It's NopViz. Your SQL account, yep. SQL username, yep. NopViz. Password, the one which you typed in when you created the account, yep, that's correct. Everything is fine. Note it down, the username and password. This will be useful to access your backend of the store. Click install. This is installing. So this will take some time, guys. Here we go. The installation is done. This is how the storefront looks, guys. Note one thing very clearly: the Microsoft Azure database and the server deployment took more than 7 to 10 minutes, but the NopCommerce installation on the server took just 2 to 3 minutes hardly. So if at any point of time, if you get the server not reachable error, just don't get irritated. Wait for 10 or more minutes, so your site will be up. So it took more time than I anticipated, actually. So this is your storefront, guys. So you have everything here. So let me go for one category click. So as I said, this store is available on the subdomain which Azure gives us. You have the ability to redirect this subdomain to your custom own domain. So shoes, it's clean and clear front end. Adidas shoe. I'm just going for a product page. I'll let you know how to access the dashboard, the admin backend. Now, oops, it's taking a bit of time. There are a few settings you need to do to make this website faster. You can see use it's almost, the front end is almost it's production ready. In terms of NopCommerce, if you take the other open source e-commerce or the other e-commerce platforms are different, but the NopCommerce one, it's really a production ready. You just put in your data and that's it. You have the front end is up and running already. Add to cart, add it to cart. Perfect. So I'm just going to the home page, and this is how you access your backend. /admin. This will take you to the sign in page. Hope you remember the store information which you given on the installation of NopCommerce. That is very, very important, guys. So always note it down if you have a bad memory. So here we go. This is the dashboard. There's a catalog section, sales section, customers, promotions, content management, configuration management. So as I said, guys, NopCommerce, it's a ASP.NET based open source e-commerce. It's a production ready open source e-commerce. I can openly say that in just 24 hours you can make any clients or your own business go online in just less than 24 hours. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will subscribe to my channel. This is my first channel. Actually, I have experience in SEO, e-commerce, and business intelligence for more than 7 years. But I'm very lazy to make any YouTube videos. So this is my first YouTube video. If you like that video, give me an upvote and do subscribe to my channel. So that will encourage me to create more and more content for the e-commerce, SEO, and technology and business intelligence. And if you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. I'll try to answer as much as possible. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.